This is the By Eastwood Burial Chamber. This is Karl-James Langford reporting for Archaeology Cymru. You can see the large capstone, which is around 10 tons in weight, and as you get closer to the burial chamber you can actually see the underlying ossostat, which seems to have been snapped in half. It seems that this site itself, with the other stones lying around, there seems to have been a deliberate push from the trackway which is to be found towards the west of the site. Locally, a farmer remarked that this was a deliberate practice of pushing the burial chamber to the collapsed state around 50 to 60 years ago. Lot to be seen at this burial chamber in the winter, so we'll come back and have a good look. This is a wonderful site, one of those missing gems in the burial chamber enigmas of this region. By Eastwood is very near Bridgend. This is something to be seen. Reporting out for Archaeology Cymru. Thank you.